Today's video is regarding HP OfficeJet 8015 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the setup of this printer using your computer or a laptop. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and we have to connect the printer with the Wi-Fi network. If you do not have that, simply use the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi direct, and if you just don't want to use that, you can use the USB cable to do the USB setup. So I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi. Scroll down the top bar, click on the setting icon, click on network setup, wireless settings, wireless setup wizard. It will search for the available wireless routers. Select a network, enter the password here and connect it with the Wi-Fi network. Once you are done, simply go to your computer, click on the start button, click on the setting icon, click on the devices, click on printer and scanners, add a printer or scanner. It will show up the printer here. Click on that, add device, and you will see it will add up the printer shortly here. Just close this window and you will see your printer is available here. It has option like manage. From here you can see all the options for the printing. You can also use the scanner. It has a scanner here, so click on the open scanner. It will open that as well. So overall, it's very easy to use this printer. Thanks for watching.